To add or update contacts, click on the Contacts tab in the sidebar. Choose Add Contacts and Import Contacts from a file. Drag and drop your file or select it from your device.
Keep the subscribe status here.
You can add a tag to all contacts in the file to help with future segmentation.
If you want to update existing contacts, select Update the Contact.
If you're only importing new ones, you can choose to skip the contact. Click Next. Now, you'll need to map the columns in your file into appropriate fields on the list. Match each column, like first name or last name, to the right field on the list. You can also create new fields if needed, or import comma-separated tags. Don't worry about the email address column, it will be detected automatically. Unmapped columns will be ignored, so make sure to assign everything you need. Click Import to finish the process. If there are any issues with adding or updating contacts, we'll generate a report explaining what went wrong. You can download it from the Imports tab. To unsubscribe contacts through Import, follow the same steps but choose the unsubscribe status and select the Update the Contact option. No field mapping is needed here, just click Import to finish.